Alright, so this is a second video update to my project. I currently have the solar panel out on my roof. It's not too sunny out today, but there are some bursts of sunlight. I've got the solar panel hooked up into this charge controller here, and you can tell by the green light right here that it is charging and that my batteries are currently fully charged. Let's see. The charge controller is then hooked up to the batteries, which are doing pretty well right now. And then from the batteries we go to the inverter, which you just heard turn on because I'm running my air conditioner right now at full power, and it's only, let's see, using 435 watts to run that air conditioner. So let's go check out the air conditioner. Oh yeah. Nothing like having your house cooled by the sun. Well, so far, that's the status of the project. Everything seems to be working. You can see it's a good bit sunnier out now. We'll update you again when I actually start charging a car. Alright, bye.